hope we aren't late for this party. You were supposed to remind me when we should leave.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you were saying.
Whatever, we'll just park here and figure it out. Yo, pull up directions on how to get there.
Sure.
Sweet, we got plenty of time.
Best friends never go out of style. They won't fade with the passing of time. It's a bond that lasts for life. It can't be separated by 1,000 miles. Best friends are gonna break your fall.
What? The party starts in 15 minutes.
Oh no! No! Help! Anyone! Anyone!
Really? Anyone? I'm pretty sure you want a professional who offers quality service and parts and can do it while you wait, right?
Yes.
Then bring your phone into New Hampshire iPhone Repair because your bestie deserves the best.